it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Oh, no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Jessica, and today I'm doing a transformation. Guess what I'm transforming to? An e-girl. So I was just, bored at home with all this quarantine thing going on, and I was like, you know what? I need to do something. So I was just looking around, and e-girl came up, and I was like, you know what? It would be so dope to do an e-girl look. I'm not an e-girl or anything like that, but I'm just like fascinated with like the look and everything, so I am so down to try it out and see. So if you guys want to keep on watching and see how I look as an e-girl, stay tuned. Oh, and one more thing, make sure to subscribe if you haven't and join our team. I am almost at 200 subscribers, so yay! But other than that, if you haven't checked out my other videos, go ahead and check those out and leave a comment below. And here we go. I'm going to go ahead and clip my hair back. This cannot be in the way, It just can't. First step is done. I have some inspiration here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm probably gonna do like a pinky look, and I'm guessing like most of them always have like little hearts right here with like a lot of blush and stuff, so my favorite. So I already started with my foundation. I just put foundation on. I didn't even do my brows or nothing, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brow. I always use a black eyeshadow as my eyebrow makeup because, who is messaging me right now? So just black eyeshadow. I've never tried to use the black eyeshadow from the Kylie palette, but it's always first, so here we go. I'm just gonna get a little closer. So usually it's not a tutorial, but might as well put in a little bit of my eyebrow routine. So just darken the ends like that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Just have to let me know down below how you guys are coping still with this quarantine. Like, it's just still really crazy because there's still a lot of people getting infected. This needs to go away. It really does. It's just annoying now. Nowadays it's just like so annoying that you just don't. So just fill in your brows, and I'm probably gonna fast forward this because it's gonna take a while. So just listen to the little music, and yep. Remember, they're not twins, they're sisters. They're done. And now that they're done, because I already put my foundation on, I'm not even gonna conceal them. I think they look alright. So let's keep on going. So what I'm gonna do for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna do a pinky look. I'm gonna be using the Morphe Jeffree Star palette because this one right here has really cute pinks. It has this really pink look, and then it has this one right here, which is like a little purple look. So I'm just gonna use those. I like pink eyeshadow, so I'm gonna put more. I'm so nervous because I want to make I want to do the e-girl look and all that, but I want to make it good, I don't want to do it like all week and stuff, like not even try. This is so pretty. Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. I would just go out like this. Bye. For the e-girl look, it's not only like pink up here, but they also put it right under the eye. So that's what I'm gonna I can't wait till all this is over. Oh my god, I don't even know. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run out and go to the bar or the club and just dance my ass off. Cause, oh no, this is so crazy. This quarantine is no game at all. So irritating. So I'm gonna grab a smaller brush like this and grab some of the pink, and I'm just gonna use it right under my what the heck? I don't know how low I'm supposed to go, but look at me. I look like a ghost. I think I need a little down here. I don't even know. Oh, that's what it looks like here. Now I'm gonna go with some eyeliner. So I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild eyeliner. It just looks like this. You can get this at Walgreens. The typical eyeliner. I don't like the waterproof ones because they are so hard to take off. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. The pictures I'm using for reference, they're like really long, so that's what I'm gonna be going for. A really long wing. How long do I go? I'm just gonna make it long. It's pretty cool. Look at my, I like it. Alright, next eye. It looks like I already messed up. They look pretty even. I look kind of scary. I feel like theirs is thicker, you know? Like, alright, whatever. I look weird. That looks so weird. Okay, now that looks thick. You see the difference? That looks thick. Oh my god, I messed up this one look. Oh my god, it looks nothing like the other one. Wow, now I look like a clown. Oh well, I think I'm just gonna leave it. I think it's okay. Let's try the blush, right? Let's just try it. I'm gonna go for like a really pink blush. I have 3 colors right here. Anastasia Beverly Hills little blush thing, the really pink one, the one in the middle, like the little. I wish I had an e-girl here to show me how to do all this. I noticed that they put a lot of blush on their nose too, like a lot. So. Looks kind of cute. Get a little bit of contour, and I'm gonna use my Tarte palette right here, and use this one right here for like a little bit of contour because I feel like I need a little. I think that should be okay. Right? Okay, I look a little bit more awake, like a little bit more sculptured. So, alright. I'm gonna try and do like a little bit of contour on my nose, which I never ever do, but I'm just gonna try. Alright, doesn't look that bad, but it looks pretty bad. Alright, whatever. So I'm gonna continue with the blush. Highlight, you can't forget the highlight. So yes, okay. Yes, that's cute, right? Okay.
Who is she?
I look hella red. It's okay though, right? It's okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and do hearts on the under eyes. Okay. I added a lipstick, which is the matte Too Faced lipstick, and this is how it looks. With this look, I'm thinking because it looks so good, I'm gonna put some of this, which is like a lip gloss. This one right here is from Anastasia as well. We just need a little bit more pop. Like that. Last but not least are the lashes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on. So alright you guys, I popped on my lashes. I wanted to be a little dramatic on those, but that's what I did, and let me show you guys the final look. Alright you guys, so this is my final look. I added some pink earrings. I braided some of those two hairs, added some buns, and yes. So let me know what you guys think. Like the video, comment below, subscribe, and show some love. And check out my other videos and let me know what you guys want to see next. Bye!